This is my 1974 BMW E3 Si estate. I feel in a way my main mission with this car was to make sure that one survived. I love E3s generally. I've got a saloon version of this, and I've also got a 2500. In the UK there are very few E3s left, and this one really needed to survive. It's a part of BMW GB's history. We don't know exactly how many were made, but we think that between 1972 and 1975, something around 10 or 12 were built. They were a collaboration between BMW GB and Langley Motors in Thames Ditton. When the series was launched in the early 1970s, there was really nothing like it on the roads. They were designing, if you like, a bespoke car for their clientele. This was a level of engineering and performance way above anything that we had really in this country at the time. I, being a very impressionable teenager, was swept away by a family friend who had a 2500 and then a 3-litre SI, and I just thought they were the most amazing cars, and that has stayed with me throughout my motoring life. Out of the 10 or 12 cars which we know of, I am afraid I've had 4 of them. Total restoration from beginning to end took an unbelievable 14 years, which was not always, work wasn't always proceeding throughout the 14 years, but family life gets in the way, and money is sometimes tighter than at other times. So we went off to America and returned to me in 2014 as a fully finished, as the car you see today.
So when I was approached by the owner of this incredibly rare car, that it may be time for it to find a new owner, we were of course all very, very excited. It's not often you get to market a one-off, the only one left in existence today. He had this example restored from the ground up. It was a no expense spared restoration, and the car was to want for nothing. Mechanically, the car is nut and bolt brand new. Engine, gearbox, differential, every suspension bush, ball joint, it is new. The interior is beautifully finished in brand new blue leather, and his concourse absolutely as new, and the bodywork wanted for nothing, and is finished in this beautiful Polaris silver paint. A look under this engine bay, it is instantly clear at the very, very, very high level of detail and the high quality of restoration that was carried out to this SI estate. For me, the 3-litre SI with its M30 3-litre engine, 200 horsepower, Bosch D-Jetronic, for me this really was the 70s super saloon for BMW. Sitting inside this SI, again, it reeks quality and just again shows you what an incredibly high standard the restoration was. The new blue leather is absolutely stunning. Original blue cocoa mats, original Blaupunkt radio, and even factory sunroof option. For the 1970s family man, this really must have been have your cake and eat it. It was a truly fast 200 horsepower estate car. This has to be a must for the BMW collector that has everything.